Morning children, how are you all? I'm good. Children, up to class 5, you had two English books. One was practice book and the other was English reader. Am I right? From class 6 onwards, you will have three books. Practice book, My English Reader, that is MCB, and English literature. Children, we have already done a topic from practice book. MCB we shall do little later. Now we will move on to literature book, which has been added this year. If you read this book thoroughly with interest, your vocabulary will improve, you will develop better comprehension skills and better communication skills. In short, this book will help you to develop all four skills: listening, reading, writing and speaking. This book has got many short stories, poems, dramas and plays which not only provide entertainment but also teach us many moral values. So children, let's get started now. Children, how often do people ask you this question? What do you want to become when you grow up? Many times, am I right? And each time your answer is different. Sometimes you say a doctor, a pilot, an IAS officer, and the list is endless. Today, you are going to listen to a story which is based on similar topic. The story is How Daddy Decided What He Wanted to Be, written by Alexander Ruskin. Alexander Ruskin, a famous Russian writer, used to narrate stories to his daughter Sasha when she was sick. His stories are not fantasies. Rather, they are realistic happening about his day-to-day life. They are real stories. This story speaks about the thoughts of what the author wanted to become once he grew up. His thoughts are very funny. Let's enjoy the story now. Now, I'll tell you a story, How Daddy Decided What He Wanted to Be, in short. This story is about a small boy who is fickle-minded, who is undecided as to what he wants to become when he grows up. Each time he was asked, what does he want to become? His answer was different. His first choice was to become a night watchman, and he had a pretty good reason for that. You know, he thought he can move around freely at night and make noise when everyone was sleeping. He was 100% sure to become a night watchman until he came across an ice cream seller. Ice cream, who wants to buy? This ice cream seller's job attracted him now. He thought becoming an ice cream seller is interesting. I can eat ice creams anytime and treat little children to free ice cream. His idea of becoming an ice cream seller surprised his parents. They thought how funny their son was. One fine day, he expressed his desire to become a shunter. Children, do you know who is a shunter? He is a railway worker who moves a carriage from one track to another. Then someone questioned him. Very recently you told us that you wanted to become an ice cream seller, and now all of a sudden you want to become a shunter? Oh, this was a problem for Daddy. Daddy came up with an answer. He felt he can manage both. Children, Daddy again became a laughing stock. His focus went on shifting from one profession to another. What was his first choice, children? Night watchman. Then ice cream seller. After that, shunter. Oh God! He even wanted to become a pilot, an actor, a turner, a sailor, a shepherd boy. He felt he had genuine reasons to opt for all these professions. He started doing all that a dog does, barking at strangers, running around on all fours and what not. Children, I think most of us are scared of dogs, aren't we? At least I am very scared of dogs because it bites. You know, he even tried to bite an elderly lady. The most unexpected thing he was trying to do sitting next to Rover was, you know who's Rover? Rover, a dog. To learn how to scratch behind his ears, like how generally a dog does with his foot. What a funny sight to look at. Just try and imagine Daddy doing it. While Daddy was busy learning to do that action, an officer stopped by and asked him what he is up to. Daddy very proudly said that he is trying to be a dog. The officer very gently asked him, "Don't you want to remain human?" Daddy very innocently replied, "I have been a human being for a long time. Let me try something different." The officer slightly got annoyed and asked him what kind of a human you are, if you cannot even be a dog, and went away seriously. Such a question from the officer forced Daddy to think what he was actually doing. He felt ashamed of himself when he realized how silly he was, changing his mind every day, and understood that he was too small to decide what he wanted to be. Since then, whenever he was asked what he wanted to become when he grew up, little Daddy very confidently answered, "I want to be a human being first." Children, little Daddy now clearly understood that, be it any profession, a pilot, a doctor, a shunter, one should be a good human being first. Do you know the qualities of a good human being, children? Yes, a good human being is polite, caring, loving, and honest towards everyone. So children, let's inculcate all these good qualities and become good human beings. Children, now let's practice the pronunciation of these words. All these words are from lesson How Daddy Decided What He Wanted to Be by Alexander Ruskin. This exercise will help you to pronounce words correctly when you read the lesson. So please listen and repeat. Page number 1. Night watchman. Certain. Thought. Surprised. Locomotives. Platforms. Page 2. Interesting. Obviously. Shunter. Laughed. Pilot. Factory. Turner. Shepherd. Page 3. Strangers. Elderly. Scratch. Are you repeating after me, children? Good. Though. Exactly. Remain. Sought. Page 4. Ashamed. Remembered. Human being. Couldn't. Wasn't. Didn't. Children, pronouncing the words correctly is very important, and it comes through regular reading and practice. Reading is a very important language learning skill. It helps you to improve your vocabulary, spellings, grammar, and writing. Don't forget your best friend. Yes, a dictionary. Always keep a dictionary beside you while reading. It will help you to find the meaning of words that are new to you. It's time to read the lesson. I'll read the first paragraph for you. Please listen carefully. Lesson 1. How Daddy Decided What He Wanted to Be by Alexander Ruskin. Pre-reading task. What is your father's profession? What profession would you like to choose? What is the reason for your choice? Read the following story and find out how the narrator's daddy decided what he wanted to be. When Daddy was little, he was often asked, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" Daddy always had an answer ready, but each time his answer was different. At first, Daddy wanted to be a night watchman. He liked to think that while the whole town was asleep, the night watchman was up. And he liked to think that he could make a noise when everyone was sleeping. He was quite certain he wanted to be a night watchman when he grew up. But then the ice cream man came along with his bright green cart. Children, what have you noticed? Yes, I read the name of the lesson first, and then the author's name, and then I went to pre-reading task. I read the heading, and then my reading speed was medium so that the listener can understand better. Children, you have followed my reading? Yes. I paused wherever there is full stop, comma, and have you noticed? Here I said but. Each time his answer was different. Okay, children? So, have you noticed my high and low tone? When Daddy was little, he was often asked, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" So, this is how you should read, children. This was just a model reading for you. Children, listen to me again. Try and understand the way I read. Then read the lesson. Children, read every day for 10 minutes. It will help you to improve your speed and accuracy. Children, homework for this week is totally based on reading. Day-wise homework is given. You have to follow the timetable. It's a very short homework every day. I want you to open English literature book daily and read for a while. Children, first day, you have to read lesson 1 aloud and underline new words. Next, on 10th, read lesson 1, page number 1 and encircle 5 nouns. Then 11th, you have to read page 2 and encircle any 5 verbs. 13th, you have to encircle any 5 pronouns. Now 14th is an interesting homework, children. You have to find the words which mean the same. You have to read page number 4 and find the words which mean the same. Okay, you have to only look for a word. Then next is activity. Children, read the lesson aloud and record in your mobile. Enjoy listening to your own voice. This activity will give you an opportunity to check your own speed, whether you paused at full stops, commas, etc. or not. Did you modulate your voice or not? It will help you to check your pronunciation. Isn't this activity interesting? That's all for now. Take care, children. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye. See you next week. Hello, children. Here is a reminder for you. Is your box of doubts ready? Whenever you have any doubt, just write it on a piece of paper and drop it in it. Thank you.